Loving you is like a fairy tale.
Look at all the trees. Look at that mini brown one.
It's like a tree farm.
Never been to a tree farm. We made it to the tree farm. We're gonna pick our tree for Noah's family's house.
Yeah.
And they're gonna decorate it.
Big old tree.
Hopefully we find a good one.
We have literally options here, so.
I don't think we have enough options.
Well, I had to pick from, so.
And Sam brought a ton of friends with him. So, and then we'll go out to lunch. It's a little bumpy over here.
Ugh. It's worse when there's snow on the ground.
See you there.
They have Santa sleigh here too. Well, Santa's sleigh.
Horses! I want to go on one. Look at all those trees. Record higher, babe.
Oh my gosh, that's a big tree.
Whoa.
You're dropping me, babe.
This one?
This one doesn't look nice.
Wait, did we bring a saw?
We did.
Okay.
We did bring a saw.
No, Mama, this one.
Cut it with our
Oh.
Have we had these
This
needles
is like
before?
Christmas.
Yeah.
Short needle.
Yeah.
Yeah, short needle.
Short needle? Is
What
this-
did they do? Did they get like a chainsaw?
Look at how tall it is, though, Henry. That wouldn't fit in our house.
Yeah, what?
That would not
All
fit
the
in our
roots are in
living
it?
room.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna cut a little off anyway.
That's a really tall
Here we got a
tree.
shovel. We got hands, so.
Call it out. We should all just tackle it.
How about
Freaking hell,
Sam, Monica, and Ava, and Henry?
There's our tree.
Brendan, come in the photo over here.
Brendan got his tree. Brendan's going to bring that home.
It's a great tree right there.
Good job, Brendan. Did you take that? Did you cut
Brother
that
from
down with
another
your
mother.
hands?
Oh yeah.
Gang, gang, gang.
Oh, see?
That's one tree that guy said take 5 minutes to look for one.
That's what I was thinking. They're trees, right,
Who wants to
Jay?
do the honors?
These are from trees.
Not gopher holes.
Sam, go ahead. Sam,
Cut it about.
They're wrong.
Oh, because I don't know how to cut trees.
Really, Sam.
Timber!
He's holding it from the middle. Look.
And you're in the dirt, but.
we might be here.
This is gonna be a long process.
We might be here till nighttime. Look at him.
You're gonna cut Sam's fingers off. Let Sam do it. He's a Home Depot employee.
I'm not doing
Sam, you got
Yeah,
it.
and here's your deal. Look at a plane.
We
Watch
need
it
to
fall
hold
on
it
Sam
somewhere,
and he
Sam.
dies.
Starts diving to the right off. Next time, look at that plane.
It knocks me over.
For trees.
That's a nice tree.
Henry, you didn't bring any? Here, take mine.
We all gotta have a
She's up in
system.
here like 100 feet.
Yep, there you go.
It's up, it's up.
You got it?
Here, hold this for a little bit. Look at this guy.
I know, he's good.
Gotta go this way.
That's what working out
Oh, yeah.
Henry has like the lightest part of the tree.
Brendan's carrying the whole tree.
I'm gonna wind the window. I do Henry right in the back.
This is.
Your mom said that Carson threw at elementary school.
You got that in 2007?
Oh, look at all the needles coming out.
Push it this way.
Keep it going. Because, well, we said the old school.
Here's the fun part.
Tree's getting shook.
Shooketh.
Bye, trees.
Bye bye, gotta go.
Gotta go so. just finished lunch at Little Oscar's and I'm stuffed. I had a huge pancake. And I finished it all, and then Jeremy gave me $1 since I finished it all. How was yours, babe? What'd you get?
It was good. I got a mushroom and cheese omelet, but
They didn't have mushrooms in it.
there's no mushrooms. There's cheese. And I got hash browns, toast, and chocolate milk. Pretty green, good. Christmas is here.
We're going back to Noah's now to go decorate the tree. Do you guys have like a bunch of ornaments?
Yeah, we have ornaments and put lights up and set up the whole house for Christmas.
Let's go!
Hold on. Quit shorting it, hose brain. Alright, if this light doesn't work, you gotta bring the tree back.
Babe, you need a hat on.
Do I?
Kel!
Smells like needles.
Why don't you ever get mine not sold?
Marie's doing an ornament for us.
So it's home again and home again.
We should have done that.
So cute.
Beauty. Oh,
This is Barney's right here.
Now we're going to my neighbor's hockey game, Sawyer and Liam's, and I hope they win, and I'm gonna cheer them on. They're my buddies. They're adorable.
They'll get a W.
Well, Liam won first place, so I'm sure they'll do really good. We made it! Let's go Wildcats! Woohoo! Good job, Sawyer! Of course, I forgot to end the video again, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!